In a world where the pursuit of happiness often feels like a fleeting chase, recent research has begun to unveil the profound connection between happiness and health. The age-old adage that laughter is the best medicine is more than just a saying. It encapsulates a growing body of evidence suggesting that happiness plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. This article delves into the reasons why happiness can be considered the best medicine for all diseases, exploring its effects on physical health, mental well-being, and the intricate interplay between the two. The science of happiness. Happiness is defined as a state of well-being characterized by emotions ranging from contentment to intense joy. It is subjective, varying significantly from person to person, yet its implications for health are universally profound. Psychological studies have shown that individuals who report higher levels of happiness tend to have lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. In turn, these emotional states have a significant impact on physical health. Research conducted by the World Health Organization (WHO) emphasizes that mental health is an integral part of overall health. The WHO defines mental health as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes their potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively, and is able to contribute to their community. Happiness plays a pivotal role in achieving this state of mental health. Happiness and physical health. Strengthening the immune system. Happiness has been linked to enhanced immune function. Positive emotions can boost the production of antibodies and other immune cells, leading to a more robust defense against illnesses and infections. A study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine found that individuals who reported higher levels of happiness had significantly higher levels of immunoglobulin A, an antibody that plays a crucial role in mucosal immunity. Lowering blood pressure. Positive emotional states can lead to lower blood pressure. Research suggests that happy individuals tend to have healthier cardiovascular systems. A study by the American Heart Association found that individuals with a positive outlook on life were less likely to develop cardiovascular diseases, partly due to lower levels of stress hormones. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Happiness and positive emotions have been associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. A study published in Health Psychology revealed that individuals with a positive outlook had lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker for inflammation. Promoting longevity. Happiness is associated with a longer lifespan. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Happiness Studies found that individuals who are happier tend to live longer than their less happy counterparts. The reasons for this are multifaceted, including better physical health, stronger social connections, and healthier lifestyle choices. Happiness and mental health. Reducing stress and anxiety. Happiness is a powerful antidote to stress and anxiety. When individuals experience joy and contentment, their bodies release endorphins and serotonin, neurotransmitters that promote feelings of well-being. These chemicals help to combat stress and anxiety, creating a positive feedback loop that can significantly improve mental health. Enhancing resilience. Happiness fosters resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. Individuals who cultivate a positive outlook are more likely to cope effectively with challenges and setbacks, thereby reducing the risk of developing mental health disorders such as depression. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that happier individuals demonstrated greater resilience in the face of stress. Improving relationships. Happiness enhances social connections, which are crucial for mental health. Happy individuals are more likely to engage in social activities, strengthen relationships, and cultivate supportive networks. Research has shown that strong social ties can act as a buffer against mental health issues, providing individuals with the support they need during difficult times. Boosting cognitive function. Happiness is linked to improved cognitive function. Positive emotions can enhance creativity, problem-solving skills, and decision-making abilities. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that individuals in a positive mood performed better on cognitive tasks than those in a negative mood. This cognitive boost can contribute to better mental health by enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges more effectively. The mind-body connection, the relationship between happiness and health, underscores the importance of the mind-body connection. Our emotions can influence our physical health, and vice versa. When we experience happiness, our bodies respond with physiological changes that promote healing and well-being. Conversely, when we are unwell, cultivating happiness can aid in recovery. The role of neurotransmitters. Happiness triggers the release of neurotransmitters such as dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, which play crucial roles in regulating mood, emotion, and stress responses. These chemicals not only enhance feelings of happiness but also contribute to physical health by reducing pain perception, improving sleep quality, and regulating appetite. The impact of stress on health. Chronic stress is detrimental to both mental and physical health. High stress levels can lead to a range of health issues, including cardiovascular disease, obesity, and mental health disorders. Happiness acts as a buffer against stress, reducing its negative effects and promoting a healthier lifestyle. The power of positive thinking. Cultivating a positive mindset can have powerful implications for health. Research has shown that individuals who engage in positive thinking and practice gratitude experience lower levels of stress, better emotional regulation, and improved overall well-being. This shift in mindset can lead to healthier behaviors, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, further contributing to physical health. Cultivating happiness. Recognizing the importance of happiness as a form of medicine prompts the question, how can we cultivate happiness in our lives? Here are some strategies to enhance happiness and, consequently, health. Practice gratitude regularly. Acknowledging the positive aspects of life can shift focus away from negativity and foster a sense of contentment. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on what you are thankful for can enhance feelings of happiness. Engage in physical activity. Exercise is a powerful tool for boosting happiness. Physical activity releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress. Finding an enjoyable form of exercise can make this a sustainable habit, promoting both physical and mental health. Nurture relationships. Building and maintaining strong social connections is essential for happiness. Spending time with loved ones, participating in community activities, or simply reaching out to friends can enhance feelings of belonging and support. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and feelings, fostering a greater sense of peace and contentment. Research has shown that mindfulness can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Pursue meaningful goals. Setting and achieving personal goals can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Engaging in activities that align with personal values and passions can enhance happiness and overall life satisfaction. Conclusion. In conclusion, the adage that happiness is the best medicine holds significant truth in light of scientific research. The intricate connection between happiness and health reveals that cultivating positive emotions is not just beneficial for mental well-being but also essential for physical health. By recognizing the power of happiness and implementing strategies to enhance it in our lives, we can improve our resilience, strengthen our immune systems, and ultimately lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us prioritize happiness not just as a fleeting emotion but as a vital component of our overall health. After all, in the grand tapestry of life, happiness may well be the thread that binds our physical and mental well-being together, creating a rich and vibrant existence.